Here.
Okay, response also. Give response class.
Yes, sir.
So today in this period, I am going to tell you about breathing apparatus. That is SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus. उसका दूसरा नाम भी है. Another name is CABA, compressed air breathing apparatus. So what is the requirement of breathing apparatus? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, it should be quickly operational and lightweight and efficient.
What is the requirement of SCBA, breathing apparatus?
Achha, sir, requirements.
What is the use of breathing apparatus?
Sir, for oxygen in enclosed spaces and to in
Okay, so where there is the lack of oxygen, deficiency of oxygen.
sir, in enclosed space.
Okay, in enclosed spaces, other than enclosed spaces, also if there is smoke-filled compartment, and then that compartment is closed, and you are going to fight the fire in a closed compartment where there is the smoke filled up. So there also requirement of breathing apparatus. You have to running breathing apparatus, then you should enter in such spaces, such compartment, and do the firefighting. Okay, rescue operation from hazardous area, like if there is presence of toxic gases, foul gases. So there also requirement of breathing apparatus. You should wear breathing apparatus. You should prepare yourself, take your safety first, then you should enter in such spaces and rescue him. Okay, so these are all the occasion for running SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus, or CABA. SCBA or CABA is the same. So name is given breathing apparatus. Okay, firefighting in closed compartment, smoke-filled compartment, rescue operation from hazardous area. Okay, entering into enclosed spaces, or lack of oxygen is the where there is the deficiency of oxygen. The area where is the deficiency of oxygen, there you should wear breathing apparatus. Then you should go enter into that compartment. Okay, so first, while going to donning BA set, while going to wear BA set, you should pre-donning test must be carried out before use. Whenever you are going to wear any SCBA set, you should carry out pre-donning test of that SCBA. ठीक है, तो pre-donning test you are going to do that BS pre-donning test for your own satisfaction. Likewise, you are wearing your PPE, okay, and correctly you are wearing your PPE to save your body. Okay, like that, you have to pre-donning test must be carried out before you are going to wear any SCBA. ठीक है, तो प्री डनिंग टेस्ट क्या होता है? दैट इज 4 टेस्ट यू शुड कैरीड आउट. जो ब्रीथिंग ऑपरेटर्स है आपके पास प्रोवाइडेड है ऑन बोर्ड, यू शुड कैरीड आउट 4 चेक्स. दैट इज प्री डनिंग टेस्ट. चेक्स आर टेस्ट. ओके, तो जिसमें कि फर्स्ट टेस्ट इज विजुअल चेक्स और विजुअल टेस्ट. विजुअली यू शुड इंस्पेक्ट. Visually, what you will see, you should inspect the SCBA. The component of all SCBA should connected with each other and should tightly fitted with each other. All the buckles will be fitted, straps should be fitted and it is tight. See the pressure gauge, see the demand valve, everything is okay. Okay. While visually inspection you will come to know. Like this, you can see this is back plate of SCBA. This is cylinder of SCBA. and this is face mask of ACBA. Okay. So you have to check. So visual inspection, visually you should inspect all the component is fitted properly and tight. Then go for second check, that is pressure checks. So pressure checks means you should check the pressure, the cylinder pressure. The cylinder should be fully charged. So all ACBA cylinders should be charged more than 180 bar, up to 200 bar. So most of the cylinder charge working pressure will be 200. Some of the cylinder will be working up to 300 bar pressure. So according to their working pressure, you have to charge the cylinder. So the cylinder should be fully charged. So you have to check it. Okay. So during pressure checks or gauge leak test is same. Either pressure check, you can say pressure check, pressure test or gauge leak test. That is same. So during pressure checks, if hissing noise is coming, like this type of sound is coming, it is hissing noise. So it is understood that there is some leakage in the system. If you can rectify it, somewhere it is leaking. So if you can rectify it, so that is well and good. But if you cannot rectify it, then change it. Keep it separate, check for another one. And if you are fully satisfied with the pressure, that is full charge, more than 180 bar, up to 200 bar, that is okay. Otherwise, if it is less charge, means 150, 160, 170, that is less, that is considered as a less charge. So you should inform to your in charge. Then after second checks, you are confirmed, you are satisfied with the pressure, you are satisfied with there is no leakage in the system. Then go for third check. Third check is warning whistle. That warning whistle is also fitted in the same system, that ACBA. Okay, so that is provided when you after you are starting the consumption from the cylinder of air. So when that pressure start reducing, and that 200 bar pressure reduced to 50 bar pressure, that time whistle should blown. So it is indication for the wearer. It is indication for you. So you are having only 10-minute time. Whatever you are doing, you leave that work and you start coming out from there to safe area. From where you have entered. Stop your work. Otherwise, your cylinder is going to be empty within 10 minutes. Okay. So that test you have to carry it out. That whistle should blown exact at 50 bar pressure. So that is warning whistle. That is warning means it is indicating to you your cylinder is going to empty now. So from 50 to 0 it will take 10 minutes and you start coming out from there to safe area. That test also you have to carry it out. I will show you in the video, recorded video. Okay, everything it is shown to you. Then fourth check is face mask, that face seal checks. As you can see in this picture, this is face mask. So this will be fitted in your face. Okay, so 5 harness is there, head harness. You have to correctly tight all 5 head harness correctly, and you should see there should be no leakage around your face seal. Okay, this is fully attached with your face. Other than the cylinder, there should be no air is coming, no air is coming from outside. Okay. So this test also you have to carry it out. That is fourth check. face mask or face seal check. That is known as face seal test or check, or you can say face mask check. Okay. So it is understood to everybody?
Yes, sir.
The equipment should be maintained as per maker's manual. So as it is also a, your just like your PP, once you are involved in firefighting, once you are involved in such operation, like you are entering into hazardous area, you are entering into enclosed space. So that time this SCBA, this breathing apparatus will be part of your PP. Okay, so you have to maintain it in good condition. As per the maintenance schedule, you have to maintain all ACB, all breathing apparatus. Then that will work effectively. So according to maker's manual, according to the maintenance schedule, you have to maintain the equipment that will work in good condition. The air cylinders must be pressure tested every 5 years. So all SCBA cylinder, all breathing apparatus cylinders should be pressure tested every after 5 years. The time duration is 5 years. So after every 5 years, all cylinders should be sent for pressure testing to outsourcing agency, competent agency. They will test the cylinder, they will test the pressure, and then they will issue a certificate, and also the cylinder tested date and time, date and year, month and year will be stamped on the neck of each cylinder, so that while you see the cylinder, then you will come to know when it is next due. So the air cylinder must be pressure tested every after 5 years. Okay. And always pressure testing will be 1.5 times more than the working pressure. Okay, now understood? Clear to all? Class,
Yes, sir.
can you listen me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now it's here.
Okay, so give response.
Yes, sir.
This team is getting ready with all that PPE. After wearing PPE, they are ready with donning SCBA, and they are ready to enter a compartment. You can see in this picture. Now, for breathing apparatus, all persons on board must be thoroughly aware of the procedure for use of the breathing apparatus. Everybody, all personnel, those who are serving on board, they should know about the breathing apparatus. They should done ACBA. They should wear ACBA within 1 minute without any help, even though dark, even though in night. Without any help, the person should know how to wear ACBA, get ready with ACBA. Okay, their maintenance, their use, and how to operate. For air stored in cylinders, their pressure must be checked, and the cylinder must be hydraulically tested periodically. So time to time, all cylinder, their pressure should be checked. Now warning, discharged air cylinder should not be left in the designated fire and safety items locker, but placed in a different store till they are refilled. So all discharge, whatever discharge cylinder is there, you have just used and that is discharged. Okay, that empty cylinder should not kept in that fire and safety locker. You have to store, you have to kept in a store till the time they are not refilled. Okay, and because of all these, the ACBA and all that firefighting appliances, that is emergency use equipment, should not keep empty. Okay, so it should not keep empty. Always it should be fully filled up with the air. Always it should be charged fully. So you have to ensure that all cylinder is fully charged, and if it is empty, so it should not kept in the fire and safety locker. Okay. Now maintenance of breathing apparatus, that is ACPA. So I am going to show you a recorded video. Okay. You will come to know how to done, how to wear ACPA, कैसे उसको पहना जाता है, what are all component, how to assemble and deassemble the ACPA. I am going to show you one recorded video. Okay, class?
Yes, sir.
Class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो आप लोगों को मैं एक रिकॉर्डिंग किया हुआ वीडियो दिखाने जा रहा हूं, जिसमें आपको उसमें असेंबल, डीअसेंबल, असेंबल कैसे करते हैं, ये जो 3 कंपोनेंट आपको दिखाया था, बैक प्लेट, सिलेंडर एंड फेस मास्क, तो उसको असेंबल कैसे करते हैं, एक साथ में कैसे उसको लगाते हैं, और फिर उसको कैसे पहनते हैं, बाई कोट मेथड एंड टू हैंड मेथड, एंड उसको ऑपरेट कैसे करते हैं, फिर उसको कैसे निकालते हैं, एवरीथिंग आई एम गोइंग टू शो इन ए रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो. तो ये जो वीडियो दिखाया जाएगा उसको ध्यान से देखो, कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो एंड गिव रिस्पांस आल्सो. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay, their occasion for done, their requirement. Now today I am going to
Class,
Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
कैन यू सी? और ये आवाज क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
tell you about SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus. Okay, their occasion for done, their requirement, and SCBA जैसे कि आप नाम सुन रहे हो, सेल्फ कंटेंट ब्रीथिंग apparatus, इसको काबा सेट भी बोला जाता है, कंप्रेस्ड एयर ब्रीथिंग apparatus, CABA, एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म में BA सेट भी बोला जाता है, ब्रीथिंग apparatus. Okay, so it consists of three main components: cylinder, this cylinder, this also cylinder. दोनों का कैपेसिटी अलग अलग है. Both cylinder capacity is different. This is charged up to 300 bar pressure, working pressure. This is charged up to 200 bar working pressure. Okay, this 6 liter cylinder capacity, 6 liter water capacity. Once we are put water, that will comes in 6 liter. But we are charging air by breathing air compressor. So once 300 bar charge, okay, then what will be the time duration of this cylinder? The time duration of this cylinder will be 45 minutes, because we taken it from the formula capacity, that cylinder capacity multiplied by pressure, working pressure, divided by 40. Normally we are consuming 40 liters of air in a minute. So capacity multiplied by pressure divided by 40. You will get the endurance. So this will work up to 45 minutes. That is the last duration. This is charged up to, working pressure will be 200, so it will work up to 30 minutes. Okay, 6 multiplied by 200 divided by 40. 6 multiplied by 300 divided by 40. You will get the endurance. Okay. Now all cylinders should be pressure tested according to their working pressure. Now its working pressure, this working pressure of the cylinder is 300, so it will be tested up to 450 bar. Once this is 300 bar, so it will tested up to 450 bar, and that testing every after 5 years. Every after 5 years, this cylinder should be pressure tested. You have to send it for pressure testing to the third party, independent authority. Okay, they will test, they will certificate, and they will stamp here on the neck. Okay, clearly it will be stamped here on the neck, month and year of the test date. So by seeing, you can come to know that when it is due. Okay, now the cylinder part over. Now this is backplate assembly. 3 main component: cylinder, backplate assembly, and face mask. So this backplate assembly consisting of this assembly connector, this connector, which is connected to the cylinder with this backplate. This connector, it is attached with one reducer. From here, this 2 line is going, this LP line is going through the reducer because of one. Okay, this connector attached with reducer, and here cylinder is attaching. From here, one reducer is fitted, so that 2 line is going from here. 1 line is going through the reducer. The air is going through the reducer. That 300 bar pressure reduces to between 4 to 7 bar pressure, and that pressure is coming here up to the long demand valve up to 4 to 7 bar pressure. From here, again it is reduces to 1 bar, 1 to 1.02 bar pressure. Okay, which is finally we are inhaling after attaching the with the face mask. Okay, now one HP line, this line is going to the, this HP line, this line is going to the pressure gauge. Here you can see a reading of the pressure gauge. Okay, and up to 300 bar. You can clearly see here. Okay, okay, and here you will get here you can see this warning whistle. This hole is provided. A warning whistle is attached with the pressure gauge. So that will again tell you later. Then this is attaching cylinder attaching strap to the back plate. This is cylinder attaching strap to the back plate. I will show you how it is attached. Then shoulder strap. Both shoulder strap. See, this both shoulder strap. When you are going to take this bearing PSC on your back side, that both shoulder will exactly come on your both shoulder. Then this is waist belt, that will exactly come on your waist, and you can adjust it according to your body structure. So you should be correctly wearing, tightly wearing. Okay. Now face mask. This is face mask assembly. This is neck strap. You have to put it in your neck. Then head harness. Pipe strap is provided on head harness. You have to tie it properly so that this face mask will be cover your face. Cover face. Okay, and it will be completely cover your face. Okay. This visor you can see by the visor. Then speech diaphragm. Whatever you will speak, that will be clearly listened nearby you. Okay. Then exhalation valve is here. One small. That is exhalation valve. What you are inhaling, you are again exhaling through that exhalation valve inside. Okay. Orinasal. You can see here one orinasal. That will come on top of your nose, cover your nose. That is orinasal. Okay, exactly come on your nose. Your nose will be covered with the orinasal. Okay. So now I am going to attach the cylinder to the back plate. How it is getting attached. So first, take the cylinder and insert into the lose it. Okay. Now with the help of this connector, see here this connector attaching the cylinder. अच्छी तरह से लाइन करते हुए
क्लास।
Yes, sir.
तो ये कनेक्टर से जो सिलेंडर का कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, अटैच कर रहे हैं, कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो उसको कनेक्टर में एक ओरिंग, छोटा सा ओरिंग होता है, दैट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर। एक छोटा सा ओरिंग होता है, दैट इज गैस्केट। ओरिंग जरूर होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज 200 बार प्रेशर इज हाई प्रेशर। अगर ओरिंग नहीं होगा या फटा होगा, खड़ा होगा, ठीक है, तो उससे हैवी लीकेज वहीं से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। यू शुड मेक श्योर दैट ओरिंग इज इन गुड कंडीशन एंड ओरिंग इज देयर। एक छोटा सा ब्लैक कलर का ओरिंग है, यू हैव टू इंश्योर।
सर रबड़ के?
हाँ, रबर के।
ओके सर।
अटैच करते हैं, अदरवाइज टेपर हो जाएगा। नाउ इट इज अटैचिंग टू इट, सो मेक श्योर and before attaching this connector, one o-ring is there, a small o-ring will be there, that you have to make sure o-ring should be there. Now it is fully tight. Then again tight this. Okay. Now your cylinder is attached with the back plate fully. Okay. You can make it like this. Okay. Before going to.
Okay, now class.
यस सर।
तो इसको अटैचमेंट पता चला, मीन्स
Yes, sir, आ
इसको
गया।
कैसे असेंबल करते हैं
बिल्कुल
सिलेंडर
सर।
को बैक प्लेट से?
Yes, sir.
ओके,
We are any ACPA. Now you can see occasion for any ACPA से where there is lack of oxygen, जहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन की कमी है. Otherwise, if you are going to save somebody where there is hazardous like toxic gases will be there and somebody is trapped, you are going to save him. Otherwise, firefighting is smoke-filled area, smoke-filled compartment, entering into confined spaces. These are all the requirement of ACPA. Okay. Never go in such spaces without ACPA, without wearing ACPA, because this set will only save you. Okay. So before going to wear it, you have to complete 4 checks. That is very, very important. 4 checks what? First, visual inspection. Visual checks. Visually you have to inspect your set. Before going to wear it, visually you have to inspect whether everything is connected, whether everything is, every component is okay or not, in proper. Okay. Then see this broken or not, this. It should not be, it should be visually okay. Okay. Connected. Now every fitting should be, buckle should be there and it is fitted. Both that vest belt buckle should be there and it is fitted correctly. This is visual inspection completed. Then pressure check. Second check is pressure check or gauge leak test. That is same. Pressure check or gauge leak test same. How will check pressure check? First of all, on this demand bar you will see, on this long demand bar you will see one reset button, this red button, and in the center one button. Again one button is there. This button in the center. Okay, and this is the reset button. So when you are going to check the pressure, put reset on. This button you have to press. Then open valve. Open main valve of cylinder. Then you can check pressure here on the pressure gauge. It will clearly shown here. Whatever the cylinder is charged, that will be clearly you can see what is the pressure of the cylinder. Okay. After checking pressure, also make sure you will ensure that if there is any leakages in this system, that will be clearly listened by hissing noise. This type of sound will come, then you come to know that there is some leakage in the system. After okay, you confirm there is no leakage and pressure is sufficient, then go for third check. Third check is warning whistle. That already I have shown you that this is warning whistle just fitted, attached with the pressure gauge. This warning whistle. Okay? Put it in your hand. Hold it in your hand. Don't cover this hole. Okay. So once you have opened this valve for checking the pressure, again close the valve. Then release the pressure but very slowly. Release the system pressure. Again you can see the same pressure is there. That is line pressure. That is system pressure showing in the pressure gauge. Because I have closed the valve. Okay, you have to release that pressure very slowly so that this pressure, after consuming you, that gradually pressure will be consume, getting reduced. This needle will come to 50 bar, exact 50 bar, that whistle should blown. That will blown. It means it is indicating that your cylinder is going to empty. You will get only 10 minute time, so that whatever you are doing, stop your work and start coming out from there to safe area. Understand? Yes, sir. So that check you have to complete. That is the warning whistle. That is giving indication to you, wearer, so that your cylinder is going to empty. Now you have only 10 minute time. You will only get air from the cylinder only 10 minutes. Okay, so stop your work, start coming out. Now, see. हाँ, reset के लिए. उस साइड के. ठीक. Now, see how I am releasing. You have to put your hand here. यहाँ से हवा निकलेगा. From here, air is going to come out. Okay, so block here and then press the exact center of the demand valve. Here, this button. Now, once press and release slowly. Now you can see the reading. See the needle is going low. Ready swing. और उसको छोड़ now this is noise, this is noise. Okay, yes. Once you confirm that visible is known, means it is correct. So third check is also completed. Then fourth one is face shield, that after wearing this SCBA, after putting the face mask onto your face, then you have to check whether that face mask is sealing your face area or not, that sealing completed or not. That last one check, that fourth check. Okay. So how to wear SCBA now?
Okay, class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Time is over now, so rest will be completed in next allotted period.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक तो समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Understood? Okay. Yeah, if you still have doubt, then let me know in next allotted period. Okay.
Either code method, there is two methods for wearing SCBA. Either code method